dala-dala nila ang arts and culture nila. That's why halos na ng mga balay di may mga European products. That's why they called Silay Paris of Negros. Why man
Yes.
wala kabalo?
Wala.
And then ang sila is called Silay kay tungod magdamo di siya may trees na may flowers na tawag na Kansilay. That's why it's called Silay.
Kanjaya.
Ang mga bata nyo, kabalo kung mga gintawag Bacolod.
You know why Bacolod's
Called Bacolod. Oo. Kaya Bacolod used to be in a mountain. Ang bound na tawag natin, Buklod. That's why it's called Bacolod. Okay, you learn na something ha?
From Mr. Billy, I think I've heard of something about that, but I'm trying to find out today. I think
First time ko nakapan na
Yes. Pero,
Existing pa na sa sir.
that's how it looks now.
Ay, good.
So, ang gina-suggest naman sa tourism, na i-develop nila,
Huwag kami
mabutang sila
nakabalo.
sa mga kalanaan, kasi para makatuan sa visitors.
Okay
Para
ba
at
ng
least
mga
galing, it's surrounded by slums.
Oh.
We don't allow. Kaya basi kawatan sila or whatever.
Ito ka.
The longest in the Philippines, kung hindi sa Asia ha,
I think so sa
sa Asia na oh. 1.7.
1.7.
Imagine mo, dira sila malanding, kasi sakay sa auto, pasulod sa sila.
Oo. Tud.
So, ang balay naman niya was built 1934.
1934.
34, Commonwealth time na, that's the coming of the Americans after the Spanish time. So, naghanap siya ng boyfriend.
Namin sa balay.
It's my brother who preserved this house. So, sa napatay brother ko, we continue this legacy. And 1934, so the coming of the Americans, so more in the American style na ang balay. And tanan yung 1934 original, waay may ginkambyo rin. Except ang mga ginkaon sa anay, syempre, kayo. Like the tiles, that is called Machuca tiles.
Yeah.
Nakakadto na kamo sa cathedral sa Bacolod.
Yes.
Di ba kaayo nila, Machuca tiles ang binusan nila. And you know how thick the Machuca is? Almost an inch.
Yeah.
That's why, as subong mo ay siya crack, kay kadamol sa iya.
Kadamol.
And if you go to the ruins, amo na siya, Machuca tiles, mga tiles. You've gone to the ruins na. Okay. And the oldest part of the house, pati yung lights namin, original pa na siya. Okay. And the oldest part of the house, halipan niya sa grandmother ko, ang staircase. Naguba ang balay nila, it was transferred here, bilog siya. And this is made of balayong, ironwood, mas matigaan niya sa Sanara. And then, hindi pa skill ang mga Filipinos then, Chinese pa nag-carve sini. Kasi why pa machineries, so yung-carve nila.
Kasi lagi dyan sa mga workers.
Kaya hindi pa skill ang mga Filipinos. Okay. So, naka-feng shui ito ma'am. Oro plata mata.
Oro plata mata.
Oh yes, oro plata mata. Okay. And it's not on the facing the door, it's on the side. Kaya it's bawal sa mga Chinese. And ang owners ng house, that is Manuel Ofilania and that is Hilda Oquilia. They got married 1929. And pagkahimo nila sa balay 1934, may second child na sila. And this is Ramon. He was the one who converted this house into a museum, so that's why sa nakabutang, kay he's the most important person in the house. Kagsang dito, dahil pa kami ka-style, napabati-bati na siya. Saan ko pamamahalin din sa balay? Kaya why na space sa collections niya. Isang siya na lang nabili ni Sade, happy siya. Tanan na kwarto, puno niya sa collections niya. So that is what we are going to see now. Tanan collections niya. And 6 years ago, he died of prostate cancer, so we took over. Nagtutour guide siya nito. Sa una, every December, nagtutour siya from Bacolod to Manapla.
Ay, good.
Oo. Every December din na siya. So, this is one of his collection. Kilala nyo? Former President of the Philippines. Ha? Si daddy niya, naka-mention na. Manuel L. Quezon. And then former President of Philippines, kag ang nanghimo sini national artist si Guillermo Tolentino. Yo, familiar ka mo?
Valentino.
Napoleon. Siya na naghimo sang UP Oblation. Okay? Kag siya man naghimo sang Bonifacio Shrine sa Caloocan.
Sila mo siya mo.
Oo, siya man. And if you go to this Quezon Circle, ang dako na Manuel ay Quezon, siya man ang naghimo.
Namin ang collection.
Oo. Guillermo Tolentino. And muli ang parents ng mother ko, si Sylvester Oquilia Bonifacio Ledesma. Familiar ka mo sa NN before?
Yes.
Yes, Negros na.
Hindi ba may Doña Florentina?
Yeah.
Sister na siya sa lola ko.
Ay, ito.
Oo. Ledesma man siya. And she got married to Ledesma, tag-iya sa Negros na division. And ito naman, pairs ng father ko, si Honorato Ofelenia, Margarita Severino. Most of them, mga halin sa Iloilo. Halos tanan din sa Negros, halin sa Iloilo.
Ako, taga-Lailot.
Anong family name niyo, ma'am?
Sa mga merkado, sinon.
Anong place? Anong place?
Sa Haro kami.
Di nga, M ka. Kaya hindi ba lang kung sa Iloilo?
O, kung din ka,
Kung
oo.
J ka,
Oo,
dapat ang
dito ka.
family name niyo starts with J. Baka ang mother mo, ang
Ang mother ko.
J.
Oo. Nangkuhan sila mga sinon, digto na sila sa mga dingle.
Di kaya mo na yung grandfather ko, Ophilenia, so halin sila sa Haro.
Sa Haro.
Oo. So nag-transfer sila dili kay because of the sugar cane.
Yeah.
Kag pagkaabot nila di sa Silay, di tayo palang balay.
Ay, ito.
So first come first serve kakuha ng duta di. That's why most of the old houses dako ang lots kay paunahan ko duta din. Okay. And ali kami, 9 kami sa family, 6 girls and 3 boys. Okay, I will start with Ramon. Ang nag-convert ng house to museum, si Ramon na used to be a stage actor sa school niya. Ang duwa ko sisters, nag-tudlok piano sa una, nag-tudlok ballet, nag-play sa violin, operatic singer.
Wow.
May bata siya na artista. Abot kung kilala niyo, si Ray Pedro Ebeliana.
Ah, okay.
Oh,
Si Ray PG.
yes. Si Ray, taga Silaygid.
Oo.
Pure Ilonggo. And then, duwa ko sisters ko, dancers. Lesson ako, perform ako sa Manila Metropolitan Theater before.
Wow.
Sa Plaza Loton, noong 1970. So, nasa arts kami tanan. And this piano is more than 100 years old. Once you see a piano with a candelabra, that means to say, halin inisa sa Europe, kay late na ang electricity sa Europe.
Okay.
And this is from Germany. Steinway, ang brand name niya. And it plays, pero out of tuna siya. And this is made of ivory.
Ivory.
Kabalo ka mo anong ivory?
Yan, tas.
Tusk of the elephant.
Tusk.
Okay. Okay.
Wow.
May accent sila mag-English, no? Elephant tusk. Usually
Yeah.
mga grade school, high school, buhay na sila kabaluan ng elephant tusk.
Wala, no?
So, ina-explain ko pa na sa ila. And even the heads and the hands of the saints, white siya because elephant tusk doon na siya. Okay? Why ka mo gadali?
How is it?
It will take me 30 minutes. Huh?
It will be our privilege.
Mother ko when she was 19 years old, naging Miss Eliza sa Carnival before.
Carnival, sa una mga
Ah.
kanyo.
And then, this one, hindi nyo ibalance siguro.
Wiwi.
No,
Sa incense? Or?
no. Plancha.
Plancha.
During the Spanish time. Ang nabtanda
Ay,
may
doon ka.
tabon.
Oh, okay.
Plancha during Spanish time. Charcoal. Kasi may wooden handle.
Okay.
And then it's made of brass. And during Spanish time. And syempre, during Spanish time, ang imported from China. So this is from China. Okay. Okay. And ang living room set, wedding gift ko sa parents ko before, when they got married 1929. You were asking something?
No, he's asking about the plancha.
Yeah.
the iron.
You want to hold it? You can hold it.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Wedding gift ko sa parents ko, then it's made of mahogany and solohiya. Original pa to, hindi pa napalitan. Original siya. You can sit on it pa. Matibay pa siya, sir. Pero, replace na lang, just para sigurado, it will last longer.
Smile.
Okay? Asyendero father ko before, so there is a good deal sa farmers. After coming from the farm, ibutan niyang hat niya ang cane, Tapos hindi siya gitila sa mga farmers.
Okay.
Kag,
Office niya.
anong year ka mo na born?
1969 ako.
69. Okay. Kasi, magdidil father ko sa farmers in the morning. So, magla-lunch sila. And custom din sa muna sa Negros, after lunch, siesta, from until 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when they wake up at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. After that, why naman mahimo mother ko. So, she used this area to play mahjong.
Okay.
Until mga sa gabi na siya. And, ali yung picture din, color na siya. Okay, nagtikulang na kami. And these are all the children of my sisters. 6 sisters.
Wow.
And then, ang una si Ray PJ Avellana.
As a refugee.
Tapos yung younger brother niya, si Jojo. He used to dance man sa Kuya Germs before.
Ay.
So, amo na yung family namin.
Mm.
Okay? Kag, halos na ng balay di sa Negros, sa Silay, may prayer room. And it is a costume sa una, pag 6 o'clock in the afternoon, kapag hindi kami yung rosary. Okay? So, pasunod na ta sa prayer room.
Ooh.
Wow.
Come in, ma'am. And this is almost 100 years old. Kita niyo yung face, kanyang hands. That's made of ivory also.
Oh.
Yes. And even the small rosary, original. Kaya and made of golden thread siya. And pati yung pedestal niya, original. The rest, collections na lang ng brother ko. Kilala niyo ba to, guys?
Um,
Ha?
Saint Augustine.
Yes!
Oh,
Your patron saint. Sa school niyo.
Oh,
Saint
Saint
Augustine.
Augustine.
And this
Knew
is
it.
made of Molave. Okay. And ito, they, sa buhol, ini siya ginahimo. So makita niyo rin siya sa buhol. Okay. Good ha? I'll tell your kasi may dancer ako from STA, naging lead dancer siya sa dance group sa San Agustin. But I think she graduated na. And then, brother ko, he was the first Filipino to be featured in the Reader's Digest. And ang laman sa Reader's Digest niya is collections of paintings that you will see upstairs. Are you interested in paintings?
Yeah.
You know, a lot of national artists? Not much. Kay Tani, mag-test ako sa inyo karoon. Importantong painting, isigil lang niya ako kung sinong painter. Okay.
Need to
What
appreciate
challenge?
this time. Yeah.
Okay. And si Ray PJ, bago siya nag-artista, nag-model siya ng Pepe Jeans. Pepe Jeans is well known denim
brand.
pants before nag-abot ang Levi's.
Okay.
And he has a younger brother. He was a recording star na sa una. At may upuna siya na bayi na ginpili ni Gary Valenciano to sing the commercial of Coca-Cola sa London. We are the world. We are the children of the universe. Si Lilette.
Alit yan.
Oh, kilala niyo pa si Lilette?
Oo.
Sa
Ah,
Wednesday group.
Okay. And then, ang brother ko got to print making lessons sa mga children, just like this in the picture here.
Oh.
And those children are all grown up already. They are all professionals na. And that printing machine, makita nato na pagwa ta sa dining room later. Okay? And we'll go back here. Journalist ang brother ko si Ramon. So, he was a photographer also. So, nag-join siya sa contest ng photography. Nagdaog siya first place kahit tamang-tama pagkakuha niya ng picture of the passing of the baton sa relay. Kasi sa una, pa-timing eh.
Oh.
So, yung timing na gid ang pagkapasa sa
Oo na.
baton. Okay? And then, 1970, wala pa kamo. Proud na proud siya to show himself here. Kaya siya ang first Filipino in the Philippines na nagsuksok sang bikini. Hindi pa usong bikini before. Shorts pang inausa. Speedo na siya. So, inutan niya gida sa eye level para makita sang tanan. Okay. And the next room's the bedroom na ng parents ko, but kinonvert ng brother ko into a library.
Oh.
So I move everything that belongs sa mother ko in this room. Kagang malay namon sa guna until here lang. And next time, nagdamo na kami for the girls. Okay? Sulod ta. Ma'am, naabutan mo pa niyang gansilyo?
Para Gansilya.
Himo ka ni sa mother ko.
Wow.
Wow.
And you know, when they make
Oh
this,
my God.
tig isa-isa na siya.
Oo.
Pero
Sige,
that,
patch,
it's
patch.
of different colors na kwan. Din pang dugtong-dugtong niya.
Mm.
And, kabalo ka na ni?
Mahogany.
No!
Board for the
Parang barbitangan sa mosquito
mosquitero.
net.
Mosquito net.
Oh yeah.
Original pa rin siya.
Oh.
And this bed, the cabinet, and the dresser, one set yan. Wedding gift din sa pera.
Wow.
Namin sa mga wedding gifts
Oo.
before. Set. And, 1929 ha? And kids, sirs, 9 kami kabilog.
Night kabilo.
They use this bed.
Ito
So, dili kami din-create na Every 2 years pa ang spacing namon. And wala pa hospital na before ang silay, dili man kami ginbata.
Oh.
And, kan pa, original pa ni. Why pa na island.
foam?
Mahogany.
Ang ano niya sa
Oo. Kaya why pa foam before, banig pa
Oo.
gin-usahan.
okay.
Oo.
Pati niyo, soft-soft pa, oh.
Oo. Hindi na pa, kuha ng namon.
Una
Hindi
na
na pa.
Oo.
With a little fade of
So, ang
white,
color na sa
white
kanya?
colors.
Amo ni siya gihapon.
Two dark ones.
Okay. And ang mga mothers, I don't know if your mother has, hindi sila happy kung why sila baul. So lahat tanan ng mga mothers, may baul.
And it's usually at the foot.
Okay. And this is from China. Kasi you will know it is from China. Kaya yung lock nila lain, dili gina-insert ang key sa side.
Okay. Usually, ang kondre naman.
Oo. And syempre, if you look at it, very Chinese din sila. Dahil buhay pa bangko before, ang silay. So halos tanan may vault.
Oh.
God, what's funny? Mother ko lang kabalo sa combination, hindi niya pag-ihatag sa father ko. Kaya ang father ko sa bungero. So basi maubos ang ulo.
Mahubos ang kwan.
Okay. And look at the Holy Family. Made of ivory na siya.
Oh, no.
Nakakanto na mo Iloilo. Nakakanto na ka mo sa Molo, ma'am?
Oo.
Inala mo. Nakakanto na mo sa Molo Mansion?
Though sila wala pa.
Okay, I'll show you. Mga balay ni Sang Asyendero in Iloilo and Bacolod.
This is the new book.
Oo, it appeared the other January lang siya.
Mm-hmm.
And then this first page, sa Molo, Iloilo ni siya. Ginbaka ni siya sang SM.
Ay, ito.
And they promised not to destroy it. So 2 years na, gabaligyan na sila sa sulod sa kultura products nila. Ano yung sa sulod? So, sila gabaligya subo. Kag outside, may mga kalanan na as usual. May mga kalanan na din. And this is right beside the Molo Church. Okay. So, just in case mong pa-ilo-ilo ka mo.
Yeah.
And, camera pa na yung brother ko. You want to hold it?
Do you wanna hold it?
It's heavy.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
It's heavy.
So, just like this.
Pero may cover siya.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
So it has a cover in the lens.
Yes. You wanna try holding this, Enzo?
Yeah.
Careful.
It has a
But you
cover
cannot
so
see
can see.
because it has a cover.
Yeah, it has a cover.
English spoken talaga.
Puro siya lang.
Yes.
Ano siya lang? Nag-English ka man bala?
Kiss lang man.
Okay. Pero
Yeah,
good na, okay? Maski grade schooler, subong namin na mag-English, no? Have you noticed
Oh,
that?
yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ako, okay, nasa graduate ko, 68 ha? Ambition tag una, pagka-graduate sa high school day, you study in Manila. So, nag-school ako sa Manila, halata gid ako na Ilonggo ka. Kaya mag-Tagalog ko, daw Ilonggo gid ko mag-Tagalog. Pati yung English ko daw Ilonggo gid.
May accent.
Nag-join ako sa theater.
Oh.
Under Julie Borromeo. Gin-train na gid ko mag-English, kaya ang English ko Ilonggo gid. Gin-train na gid ko. Oh guys, do you know this? Oh.
Scroll.
Ha?
Scroll.
Ha? Okay,
Instruments.
before I'll tell you, this is an anteater. You
Oh.
can find it in Palawan. And in other words, this is from Palawan. Pampaulan, rainmaker.
Oh!
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 Nice.
Ayan, pampaulan. Then, with small stones siya. Small stones. Okay?
Nice.
Di ko na init. Gina-try mo man
Ang
nga
mga
eh.
nang belief lang eh. Dahil silingin natin, sir, maulan na. Tikinanang kabalo ka mang sandals.
Ah,
And may collection din ng brother ko ng folk arts from the different countries. Okay? I think the guys don't know this.
It's a. I
Matryoshka
know.
from Russia.
No,
Yeah.
I mean it's. I think it's one of the. I think it's called Mama or something. I don't
No.
know.
This, when you see this is
It's
from
from
Russia.
Russia.
And this one is from Poland. So, hindi nyo alam what's inside?
It's a smaller version of the.
Getting smaller and smaller.
Yeah.
So, you want to see?
Yep.
Okay. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Last 6. And this one is from Japan.
Atarumaka.
Oh, they know! Kasi pang tiyempo nila. So, you know the story of this?
Yeah, I think I've heard it's something like they write their little prayers there, and then they'll have like a made to bless it, and then they burn it in a furnace.
No.
So to the state.
Nakatalikod ito. Horror siya.
Oh yeah.
And then when he looks at you, you will die.
oh!
So, iikot siya. You're dead. Ganun yung story dyan. And may dal siya sa halo. May inuutusan siya sa halo. Okay. And this one is from Japan also. The smallest dolls, one boy and one girl. And it has a rice grain on top to compare that the rice grain is bigger than the dolls. The best thing, I will place it there. You take a picture, you zoom it so you can see the details. Okay?
Okay.
It should be bright, dapat.
Yeah. Yeah, just take a picture.
All the pesos. Wait, no. Tens.
Para madilim siya. Should be bright.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, I can see that.
Ayan, sir.
It's
Yes,
very
that's
detailed.
Right. That's bright.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Oh, nakita niyo na?
Oh. Wala ka focus ang camera.
Just taking videos.
Very nice.
Yeah.
It's so detailed with how
It's tiny.
And I wanted to hold here. Ma'am? Sir? Oh. It's malamig siya. And it has an energy inside. And may glitter. Ang nagi-glitter is nickel. So, do you know what that is?
Oh.
Oh.
Like weaker metal, right? Or
No. No. Give up?
crystal.
Lava.
No.
Basalt.
Huh?
Basalt.
No. From outer space.
Okay.
Meteorite.
Meteorite?
Yes.
Wala.
And that is very, very expensive.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh wait, this is obsidian, is it?
Ano
Sir, may pagod kasi mo, sir, karoon ang hindi nila magdan ako lang.
Wait, this is
Oh, okay.
obsidian.
Sama na tayo pa, sir, sa mga. Iba, abdan tayo. Matag-
You're from? Oh, Manila. You're from Bacolod.
Hello. Welcome.
So you can ask them to bring you to some restaurants to eat. Okay. I just showed them a stone. You want to hold? Are you friends? Okay. They're one family.
Yeah.
So, do you know what that is? Yes, you're right. Tama siya. That's right. Okay. You're already working, girls?
Yes.
Okay.
For
Magkasama
office
kayo.
Office
Office mate? What office?
Security bank.
Wow! Mayaman sila. Bago kayo pumunta rito, kumuha muna kayong pera sa security bank.
Mahal po ba to? Kasi
Very expensive. Security bank kayo, dapat alam niyo yan.
Pwede po ba itong ilagay sa vault ng bank?
Ay, ang sasama nila. No? And the money there, there's a smallest doll from Japan. They took a picture of it. Nag-zoom
Magnify
sila.
and zoom.
That's, ikunan nyo ng picture. Huwag nyo nilagay sa bag.
Smallest.
I-zoom nyo.
And moms and sir, you should notice this Japanese money.
Yeah.
Dito sa Negros to.
Yeah.
At sa...
Mickey Mouse money tawag.
Mickey Mouse money.
Later, and then on the left side, that is the first money printed by the central bank. So that was the paper. Oh, you say it na?
Yes.
Parang maganda maging hikaw.
Ang dami nilang ambisyon. Ganda ka po yung ikaw.
That would be the most expensive meat cow.
Help me ha?
Walang...
Tingnan natin sila baka kung ano.
Di ba alam ni camera naman? Namin isang balay.
Bedroom ng parents ko to.
They have a snow globe.
Huwag yun up muna nito ha. Hindi na yan And then, katuloy-tuloy kayo. Kilala niyo ba yung santo sa taas? That has only one saint. It starts with letter V. A Dominican priest na may pakpak. Letter V. It was his feast day last month, right? Saint Vincent Ferrer. Yes, have you heard of it? Okay. During the time ng mga 15th century, I think nilagyan siya ng pakpak kasi he toured the whole of Europe walking lang. So he traveled different places. So pagpatay niya, nilagyan nila siya ng pakpak to symbolize na he traveled. Payuneta. Ginagamit yung sa mga Spanish dance. Mga chismosa kayo. Sabi kayo ba kayo? Di ba party line?
Party line. Wala pa
Sa panahon namin, kasi ang PLDT dati, 2 houses in 1 line lang. So pag tinaas mo to, may nagsasalita. So sasabihin mo, please put down the phone, I want to use the phone. Ayaw nila, so mag-aaway kayo. Kung minsan, pag taas nito, makinig na lang kayo sa chismis.
Nagtatalababad.
Magneto before.
Ganun
Yeah,
na.
yeah.
Okay. So, let's go out here. Okay.
Sir, may po today sir.
Pagit?
Sa hapon, sa panaog ako lang. Ay para isa lang kaano sa kakam.
Oh, sige. Padami ng padami tayo. Okay lang?
Yeah.
Pero kung kasama natin, no worry ako. Ay, by the way, dati, hello from Manila and Iloilo. Parehas Visayas and Mindanao. Wala tayong Mindanao. Kulang tayo. May taga Mindanao? Wala. Okay. Anyway, ang bahay namin, they used to call this mansion, hindi to mansion. Kasi 500 square meters lang ang bahay. And this used to be the dining room already. Kitchen na ito dati. But dumami kami, we're 9 in the family. So nag-extend na lang ang father ko ng kitchen and ginawa niya ito dining room. Okay. Are you all working girls? You're all friends? Security bank. Ano kayo?
Security bank na tayo. Down pang system.
Ay, nako, kapapasok lang nila, wala na akong tiwala kasi gusto nila kunin ang mga nakikita nila sa loob. Anong kayong company?
Remote staff.
Ano yun? Sa mga...
PPO.
Okay.
Payroll talaga. Ang tawag yung system mo kanina.
Okay? We have a national artist, Napoleon Abueva. from UP. Hindi nyo alam. He's game, he's a sculptor. Game sa kahit anong pwede papagawa nyo, ginagawa niya. Chopping board, made of two kinds of wood. And he wrote his name and the year 69. Okay. And this television, this was made here in Negros by Roberto Benedicto. And its name is Medito. Have you
Yeah.
You heard? At, kasi this was very popular sa Western Visayas during the martial law. Kasi si Roberto Benedicto was assigned here by Marcos to be in charge of Negros. And then, he made this for the farmers actually. Kasi walang kuryente sa farm, battery ng kotse pwede makapagana nito. But when Marcos was ousted, nahinto ito.
Working pa, sir.
Sa inyo?
That one.
No. Pero may iba na nagwo-work pa rin ng gabi. And my brother Ramon was the one who converted this house into a museum. Huh? So, this is one of his collection. He used to teach printmaking lessons to the children. Doon kayo sir sa house. And this is called wood cut. Wood, and then you carve whatever you want. And then you put ink. You place it on the paper. And you cover it. You adjust the height para makapasok siya. And then you roll it in to be pressed. That's why it's called a printing press. And when you see a finished product, the finished product has a number under. Pag may number under, it's called print. Yan, no? So this is a print. So the number there is 1/18. 18 has been done, and this is number 1. And the number 1 is the most valuable, most expensive kasi wala siyang defect. Kasi every time you print, you put ink again, it will not be the same as the first print. So, ang may mga swapang, after the first print, sinisira na nila to para they have the only copy. So, it will be very, very rare. Kasi every time you print, ito ginagamit. And we will see a very good example of this upstairs later. Yun ang first print compared sa ibang prints. Okay? And that barrel on top of the bar, nalagyan niya ng wine before. Nakita niyo yung barrel? Galing pa yan sa glam.
No.
Galing pa yan sa Spain. And then dinadaan sa boat through Mexico. And it takes na 3 years to arrive here sa Philippines. So pagdating ng white, matamis na white. Kung subukan nyo hawakan, ma'am, mabigat na mabigat. Gusto niyo hawakan? Gusto niyo lagyan?
Pwede po ba?
Kung mabuhat niyo.
Pwede po i-check-in yan tayo.
Ah! Huwag na kayo maniwala sa security guard. Dahil ang mga employees nila.
Mukhang pera.
Alam mo yan. Oo. Pero admire ako sa security bank sa Bacolod, sa O Residence. Pagpasok mo lang, ang bilis-bilis. Tapos ka agad. Oo. Ang
Thank
bilis.
you.
Yan lang.
Papaalam po namin sa management.
Oh, doon. Okay. And, these plates, wedding gift sa parents ko. Ng 1929, they got married 1929. At yun na naman mga parents, pag may nagustuhan sila, tinatago nila for display only. Ganun din yung mga parents niya. Okay. Eh, hindi niya kaya kasi ang dami eh. Okay. And this is porcelain. And if you notice, the birds are embossed kasi they're all hand-painted on birds. And this is from Germany. And then ang sa baba naman, from Czech Republic yan. You know why here in Silay we have a lot of European products? Sabi ko na sa kanila, because we used to have the longest port in the Philippines. At dito sila, dito yun sa Silay. So, maraming Europeans pupunta dati dito. Okay? And outside of Silay, may nagbebenta ng flower pots. And my brother brought artists to teach them to do artworks out of the flower pots. So, ito yung mga flower pots na ginawa nila. Yan. Okay? And then one of the artists, si Estonova, he is from Kabangkalan. He did this one and he wrote his name in the year 87. Sir, na out of place na kayo. Lapit kayo dito, ang daming girls. Sir, ang daming girls. Diyan kayo dito. Chelsea na yan. And these are celadon wares from China. Wala silang beer before, so nag-import pa sila ng beer. Dito nila nilalagay ang beer nila. And these ones, the small vessels, if you can see that, hanggang ngayon, ginagamit pa rin yan sa Tom Cruiser security. Kaya-kaya, kasya-kasya. Okay. Hanggang ngayon, ginagamit pa to sa China. Ang mga rich Chinese, pag may patay sila, nag-hire sila ng iiyak sa patay. Called crying ladies. Dala-dala nila yun ang vessels, lagay nila ang tears nila inside so they get paid for crying. And one of the Chinese was you before said, only the rich Chinese in China can afford that. Okay. From Manila, have you gone to Calatagan, Batangas na? Calatagan? May lupa ba kayo doon? May resort? Nagpahukay kayo doon?
Na ano po?
Nagpahukay lang. Wala kayong may nakitang patay doon?
Wala po.
Ikukwento ko sa inyo dito. Sir, lahat ito nahukay sa Calatagan. Yes, mga antiques yan, lahat. And ang unang-unang nagpahukay doon, mga Subel Ayala, nagpatay sa building and they have beach, no? And pagkahukay nila, marami sila nakitang skeleton, some with coat and teeth pa, with plates around the body. So they asked from the National Museum to evaluate the places so they look very antique. At sabi ng National Museum, probably before pa the Spanish time, nagtitrading na ang Calatagan Filipino with the Chinese. So they got this custom from the Chinese na pag naglilibing sila, naglalagay sila ng pabakon, plates with food and money. So, that's why they said probably it's called Calatagan, Latag. Kasi most of the area in Calatagan, cemetery. Baka galing kayo doon. Kasi most of the area, cemetery eh.
Old yan kasi hindi ko lang
And then, one visitor also was here. May kaibigan din siya dahil may lupa din sa Calatagan. Nagpahukay din siya. May nakita din siya mga plates and skeletons. So, sandali. Kasi may something bad. Kinontak na rin yung National Museum. Pumunta ang National Museum, kinuha ang lahat. Without paying him kahit 100 pesos. Kasi it's considered national treasure. So, huwag ka na magsabi. Benta nyo na, makakapera pa kayo. Okay? So, that's ito lahat na yung kayo sa okay? Shall we go up na? Upstairs, may mga paintings. Bawal kumuha ng picture sa paintings. Okay? Lahat sa mga bedrooms, pwede na.
You go.
You know how to play this, Mano? I'll teach you how to play sungka.
We have that sa house.
Pictures sa tayo.
Yeah, okay, okay.
So, careful lang sa staircase.
Oo.
Mamaya, pagbalik ko dito sa baba, walang problema sa pictures.